Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect the two frames together in Figma using the prototype feature. Let's get started. First, open the Figma file where you have your frames. Make sure that you have at least two frames that you want to connect. Then to select the Prototype tab, at the top right of your Figma interface, click on the Prototype tab. This will enable the prototyping mode where you can create interactions between frames. Now, click on the first frame you want to start from. Once selected, you'll see a small circular node with a plus icon on the top on the right edge of your frame, and click and drag the blue node to the second frame where you want to connect to. After connecting, a small interaction setting box will appear. Here you can define the trigger, the action, animation, and customize these settings based on how you want the interaction to behave. Then, preview the prototype. Click the play button at the top right corner, then to preview the prototype and test your interaction between by clicking on your first frame to see transition. And that's it. You've successfully connected frames in Figma. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tutorials. Thanks for watching.